How to free up space on Android phone. So first is we all know everything about this. So you have to delete your application. So go to your Play Store. Go to your apps, app management, and go to app list and just uninstall all the applications that you won't be using or really not important to you because it is actually taking up space to your phone. Now, next thing you want to do is to go to your file manager here. And here you will see phone storage and how much you have consumed and how much is remaining space for you. Now here you will see the word clean up. It will actually automatically clean up it will actually free up space for you. Though mostly it is only a very small amount of space, but still it actually works really great. Here, as you can see, we have a 364 MB space or like excess space, so we just have to clean that up to actually clear up a 364 MB space to your phone. The next thing is you may want to go to your documents and just delete all the documents that you think you won't be using anymore because it's actually using up space. So next is you may want to go here to your phone storage and the same, delete everything that you are currently not using, and here you will see recently deleted, so you just have to delete that too to clear up that small KB there. Just go to your photos and videos and delete all those videos and photos that you won't be using. And basically, that is how you free up space on Android. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.